So friend, the internet signal was showing in full strength, but on my modem right now it shows okay as blue, but it was red. And every time you have any such issue, you need to know what the error is. First thing is go and click on the OK, and right now it's all working. Let me just try doing that and show to you. So once you press it, it will show service status, and if there is an error, it will show up the error what it is. In my case, it's all working. In case you're shown error 1202 HSI error on your Bell modem, what actually it means is that your modem is connecting to Bell network, but Bell system isn't authorizing it. So there is an authorization issue. Don't waste your time. You can do a troubleshoot, but it will make it easier if you call the Bell technical team and they will resolve this with you promptly. But before you call them, be prepared with few things. First thing is that you must know that this is the error 1202 HSI, and let them know that it's likely an authorization issue, not a physical one. So that's going to make it easy. Second thing is you need to be in front of modem when you make that call, because you may have to give feedback to them on how the checks are going. So they're going to, in all possibility reset from their end and try to fix this. And you will have to give them one information again. In addition to 1202, keep this handy. At back of your Bell modem, you will see those three barcode. So there are three line of barcode. The bottom one will have ONT. So it shows Ontario, and then the number, which is serial number. Just note down that number or read it out to the technician. Once you have these two details with you, it's going to be easy for you. You don't have to go further explaining. They will check this on their end and get it fixed. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes. You can try doing the troubleshoot, but eventually you will end up calling them. So save the time and call them instead of doing the troubleshoot. This is a software or a configuration issue on their end, and they don't need, typically they won't probably need any technician to visit your house. It will happen online with just these two information, what you're going to give them, the error code, and at back the serial number. Hopefully you never have another problem with Bell error. Thanks for watching, guys.